thinking about using Afterpay with Cash App in 2025. In this video, I'll break down exactly how the integration works, what you can buy, how payments are split, and what to watch out for before you check out. Cash App Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service built directly into Cash App. It lets you split purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. No need to create a separate Afterpay account. When you use Afterpay through Cash App, the store gets paid in full right away, minus a small fee. For example, if you make a $200 purchase, Afterpay pays that full amount to the store immediately. You then pay $50 upfront through Cash App, and the remaining 3 payments are automatically scheduled every 2 weeks, either from your Cash App balance or a linked bank account. Cash App Afterpay works in 2 main ways. First, you can convert recent Cash App card transactions into payment plans. These purchases must be from in-network merchants made within the past 7 days and be at least $25. Second, you can use Afterpay at checkout when shopping online with participating merchants, even if you don't have a Cash App card. All payment management happens directly inside Cash App. You don't need to log in to a separate Afterpay account. You can skip payments, manage disputes, or enable and disable autopay from the app. Cash App Afterpay does not affect your credit score, and your spending limits through Cash App Afterpay are separate from any existing Afterpay account. However, overdue balances on either platform could impact future eligibility. Since both Cash App and Afterpay are owned by Block Inc., the integration is seamless and secure. To make a payment, open Cash App, go to the Activity tab, select your Afterpay purchase, and choose to pay the next installment, the full balance, or a custom amount. And that's how Cash App Afterpay works in 2025. Make sure to check your spending limits and due dates before using it, and shop smart.